everybody. We're back. It's Sunday. हमने जो है पूरा वीक काफी अपने आप को कंटेन किया, but obviously जैसे हम हैं और जैसे हमारी हरकतें हैं, we need to be here to really vent and say all of these obnoxious things that we say. The guest that we have with us today is usually on the other side of the table. She is the one asking all these fiery questions. तो आज हम उनको tight spot में रखेंगे. She's in the hot seat. Very, very, very warm welcome to Momina Sitten. Thank you, Momina, for joining us.
Hello, Momina. How are you?
Thank you so much for having me, guys.
क्या चल रहा है, Momina?
The pleasure is ours.
Sorry?
मैंने कहा the pleasure is ours. This is going to be so much fun.
I'm excited and I'm also a little scared. इसके बाद पता चले कि मेरे कोई दोस्त ही ना रहे.
No, but I think the title of this episode should be Karma.
What did I do to any of you guys?
Not to us, just to other people on your show.
You ask all these questions, जिसके बाद लोगों को जगह नहीं मिलती है कहीं जाने की. So today, we are going to be asking those questions. And my dear friends,
क्यों सवाल पूछती हूँ?
I have seen too many of your shows, Momina. I know.
Okay, bring it on. Let's do this.
Nice. As first things first, yeah, I want to initially, because as a woman, it is very important for me to begin off with the fact that kudos to you for running your own business and doing so amazingly well over this past year. I believe that you've run this.
2 years.
2 years, mashallah. 2 years that you've done this.
Yeah,
that's phenomenal.
So how did Momina from her journey of a journalist / working for all these publications goes on to create this platform for herself? So we want you to talk about that a little bit first.
Okay, so I have a degree in acting. So I basically did study. Yeah, so I studied that in college, and when I came back, I went into kind of like by fluke. It was like, how you're at a dinner and like from a connection to a connection, you kind of land up with your CV somewhere. And that's how I landed up, my CV ended up at the Tribune. And anyways, I'd written a lot and I kind of wanted to do more. And then I like went on back to Tribune to launch the edit for them, which was a really fun experience for me because it was kind of like taking everything that I learned and then adding more to it, because it was kind of creating an entire platform from scratch, right? So you had an existing platform and you had to revamp it and you had to completely put new systems in place, which I love doing. Okay, so I did that for Tribune and I've done that for Libas as well now, like Libas Now. So I was on as a consultant with them and I helped them go from print to digital. So, kind of putting in how content is supposed to be done, like what's like how to not make it controversial and yet make it like really interesting. But when I kind of started doing MMP, I was realizing that my career was kind of hitting like a wall. There was nothing further ahead for me in the world of print anymore. Like, I was I was hardly 30 years old and I was pretty much the editor-in-chief of a magazine. And I was like, where do I go from there? Like, what's the next step up? And so then it was not even my idea. It was actually like my friend, it was his idea, who ended up becoming my business partner eventually. But it was his idea that, why don't you do a podcast? And I was like, podcast, what? I just, I didn't know. I took a holiday. I went away to New York for like the summer. I thought about it. And crazily enough, like, you know how like the stars align? I get a call from another publisher in Pakistan, and like they have like I won't take their name. They're very reputable, and the owner is a friend of mine. And we went to school together, and I met with them in New York. They happened to be in New York at the same time as I was, and they're like, "Oh, we want to start this show, and this is the kind of premise." And I was like, "Oh my God, like this is what I've been kind of thinking about, myself as well, and I would love to do it." And anyways, that was for TV. But the problem was at that time that they didn't have the funds to do it either, right? Because like as I'll bring in all the consultants. I mean, obviously, if I'm doing it, I wanted to like charge properly and like get the right kind of guests.
Absolutely.
The moment it's TV, celebrities charge you money, and like to put up a show like that is very, very, very costly. So anyways, that didn't happen, but it kind of like the whole idea started like even working even more in my head. And then I came back and to Lahore, and I kind of just started working on it. And again, it was completely building an entire thing from scratch, right? So completely different dynamics were involved. Like I had to set up a studio. I wanted to do it the right way.
But that's the most fun part.
It took about a year for it to kind of come together, but it did come together eventually.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Acha, why mixed plate? I wanted to ask.
Yes.
Why mixed plate?
Yes.
Acha, there's a very funny story behind. There's not a funny story. As far as like international platforms are concerned, like as far as if you look at individual platforms, like if you take up even blogs. So there was this. I mean, Chiara Fergani's blog was called The Blonde Salad. Okay.
Yes.
And I loved the name The Blonde Salad. I thought it was just so fun. It was so quirky. It was just so unique, right? So I wanted to kind of, and I had thought to my head that anytime I start my own anything, the name has to be very unique, and it has to be unique to not only to Pakistan, but also internationally as well. So we kind of started brainstorming. I think the hardest part was to come up with the name. And mixed plate was something that's very desi.
It is.
It is very desi. Like, mixed plate, एक mixed plate ला देना, everything in it. There's masala, there's dahi, there's dahi. Aloo, chana, whatever the hell you want to put, it's a mixed plate, right? So you put, and like, mixed plate. You go stand there in that Golgappa wala.
I have a question though. Momina, I'm really sorry to cut you off. What kind of a person are you? Are you the kind of person who जो चावल डालता है फिर उसके ऊपर ही do you add everything else or do you add things on the side? Like
no, okay. My plate is a very particular plate. So the rice goes first, then the dal goes on top.
Okay.
Then pyaz goes on the side, then achar goes on the side, and chutney goes on the side. And
so it's a mix and match.
Each bite, so every bite I'll mix and match what I want to have. It's not I need to see each component that I'm having separately and then eat it together. I can't mix it into one thing and have it. Yeah.
So now we know what Momina's actual mixed plate looks like. But guys, just to all our viewers, if you have any questions for Momina, we'll ask her at the end of the show, and we'll ask her to answer those for us. GM, over to you.
Hanji. So, of course, we've heard the journey of the mixed plate. हमने बहुत interesting जो है ये discovery की कि भाई mixed plate बना कैसे. Because you worked for so long in the print sector, तो borderline journalism का जो कीड़ा है वो आप में काफी ज़्यादा होगा normal लोग, right? Yeah. So we have a fun segment for you where we want कि सबसे obnoxious breaking news जो है which we will give you, and we want you to do it in your signature style. So say you're doing a podcast और उसमें आपने ये breaking news देनी है as Momina.
So just before we begin, Momina, and to all our viewers, these are actually real life things which happen. So we have actually gotten these situations from actual अखबारात जहाँ पे ये stories होती हैं. Of course, I am 100% sure Momina ने कभी इस तरह की reporting नहीं की होगी अपनी जिंदगी में. But वो आज करेंगी. So Momina, जब बड़ी ईद आती है ना, एक phenomenon अक्सर होता है, मतलब हर साल एक या दो खबरें आती हैं या हर 2 साल बाद एक या दो खबरें आती हैं कि जो गाय होती है ना, गाय उसको जब वो छोटी होती है तो लोग छत पे ले जाते हैं, राइट? अच्छा, उसके बाद उसको खिलाते हैं, पिलाते हैं, बड़ा करते हैं, and then the guy becomes too big to come down.
तो वो छत पे फंस जाती है. So
फिर एक क्रेन आती है जो गाय को छत से लिफ्ट करके तो उतारती है. And this happens by, I don't know if you've seen it. Have you seen it? Okay, you
I have
haven't
शुक्र
never in my
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
life
मैंने
also.
कभी नहीं देखा.
Same, same.
But can I tell you something on that note? I'm obsessed with hippos. Okay, so
Okay.
it's been my dream to have a baby hippo on my balcony, and it's the exact same idiots like me who think कि हम ये रख सकते हैं एक बच्चा. तो मैं उनके साथ थोड़ा agree कर सकती हूँ. मुझे sentiment understand कर रही हूँ उनका.
So great. You clearly there is empathy over there. So I can see that you can put yourself in their shoes, which is wonderful.
So Momina, you're there. आप नीचे खड़ी हुई हैं और आप रिपोर्ट कर रही हैं live कि ये सब कुछ हो रहा है. How would you do that?
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixed Plate. And guess what? I'm standing outside this house, and there's some really ridiculous people who really thought that they could breed a cow on their roof. Cow on their roof. Can you believe that? गाय को अपनी छत पे लेके चले गए हैं और अब वो गाय मज बन गई है. मज को लेके आना है नीचे. आप बताएं अकल का तकाजा किसका ज्यादा है, इनका या गाय का? स्लॉटर किसको करना चाहिए, इन्हें या गाय को? अब फैसला आपके हाथ में है.
And the crane is just pulled up now. Momina, what's happening?
All right, guys, the crane has just come in, and there's a lot of like insane energy here. 500 साइकिल वाले रुक गए हैं, वो देख रहे हैं कि गाय कैसे उतरेगी नीचे.
It sounds like a rave.
यहाँ पे म्यूजिक बजना शुरू हो चुका है.
कैसे रेस पे जाते हैं?
The interesting part is that the crane wala is wearing a really interesting shirt. He's wearing a Hawaiian shirt, which I don't know why he's wearing that. But the crane is going up now, and there we go. Lift off in 3, 2, 1. Zor laga ke bhaiya.
Very nice, Momina.
Lovely, Momina. What a sport! What a
Very
sport!
nice. Very nice.
अच्छा जी, very very ridiculous in a very different way, more pseudo scientific, if we must
Now this
say.
again, it
Legit खबर है ये.
is a legit news, which is more of an awareness campaign. ठीक है? And the title is selfie लेने से जुएं पड़ सकती हैं.
Okay.
मतलब सर जोड़ के सेल्फी लेने से जुएं पड़ सकती हैं. It's
जुल्फी
real.
कहते हैं इसको, जुल्फी. Like there's a kilfie कि सेल्फी लेते हुए लोग मर जाते हैं. ये आप इसको जुल्फी बना दें आप.
ठीक है, right.
जुल्फी है.
This is a Julfi awareness campaign, the JAC. So please, Momina, whenever you're ready.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixed Plate. And today I have a public service announcement to make to you. And it's come to my attention that a lot of people, really huddle together and they put their heads together and wo selfies lete hain, and they put them up. The problem with Pakistan is that लोगों के बाल बहुत गंदे होते हैं यहाँ पे. तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लोगों के बालों में जुएं होती हैं. आपका बाल अगर साफ है तो जुएं साफ बालों में लगती हैं. तो आपको ये बहुत अंडरस्टैंड बात करने वाली बात है. अगर आपके बाल साफ हैं और आपके बालों में जुएं नहीं है तो प्लीज खुदा के वास्ते आप जुएं के टेस्ट के बगैर आप प्लीज सेल्फी मत कराएं. जिस तरह लोग कोरोना का टेस्ट करा रहे हैं आप उस तरह से जुओं का टेस्ट कराएं. और अगर आपके दोस्त या पेरेंट्स या नानी या किसी के बालों में जुएं नहीं है तो जरूर आप लगाएं सेल्फी. लेकिन अदरवाइज प्लीज परहेज करें, थोड़ा थोड़ा दूर रहें. #जुल्फी.
Wonderful. Is one of those words that I cannot say with a straight face ever.
जुएं?
Parhez?
No,
I can't say like परहेज. I can't say chumule. Chumule is not.
No, but
You said it perfectly though. I'll just say it. So yes, that was Momina. And Momina, are we supposed to wash our head for 20 seconds with soap and water every few hours?
Yes, please do. और अगर आपने किसी जुओं वाले सर वाले बालों को हाथ लगाए तो फिर तो आप 40 सेकंड के लिए हाथ धोए.
For sure. अच्छा जी, the last one we have is a classic. ये timeless है, हमेशा से आते रहे हैं ऐसे ads.
हमेशा आते रहेंगे.
और हमेशा आते रहेंगे. So, Momina, I want you to do your take on a रिश्ता ad. जरूरत बराए रिश्ता एक आदमी के लिए या एक औरत के लिए उसके घर वाले रिश्ता देख रहे हैं. So the kind of
No,
ridiculous
I think we should make it. We should make
ये
it.
by the way,
Kismet-
बड़ा right up my alley. मैं कुछ तकरीबन 5 से 6 रिश्ते करा चुकी हुई हूँ.
Love it.
Wonderful, but this one again, I'm going to add a little bit of kink to it. Okay?
Oh,
So this rishta is by a mother of a 50-year-old man who thinks her son is young
Okay.
and ripe to be married at 50.
तो मैंने इनका
So-
ad बनाना है
आपने इनका ad बनाना है, but as a podcast.
as a podcast. So I have to make an ad for a 50-year-old man looking to get married.
yeah.
Yes. By his mother. The ad is by his mother. So he's of course उसकी आंखों का तारा.
आंखों का तारा. So मैं ये अब अम्मी की जबान बोल रही हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे लिख के
जी,
दी है बात या मैं
Yes.
आप अम्मी की जुबान बोल रही हैं.
अच्छा
आप अम्मी ही हैं.
अच्छा मैं
Let's-
मेरा बेटा
The voice,
आपका
हाँ, the
बेटा.
voice of that Mamta is you today.
Yes.
okay voice of that Mamta.
भाई Mother's Day है ना, तो मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं? Ridiculous moms should also be
Yes,
celebrated.
this is our Mother's Day special.
Okay जी. And I love how you got me on for this one. The mother of all troubles. अच्छा जी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. क्या हाल है आपके बेटा? तो मेरा नाम जी परवीन है. मैं रहती हूँ इधर ये जो बिल्कुल आपको पता है वो जो काला शाह काकू का जो ब्रिज है उसके बिल्कुल साथ हमारा एक गली जाती है. गली के एंड के अंदर आप यू टर्न लेना तो उधर हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा मकान है, महल की तरह लगता है. और मेरा उसमें महल के अंदर एक बिल्कुल चांद सा बेटा रहता है. हाँ जी, उनके क्या करते हैं जी, उनकी अपनी दुकान है, अपना बिजनेस करते हैं, काफी सालों से कर रहे हैं. अभी तो जवान ही है, 50 साल के अभी हुए हैं. अभी उनकी हमने बड़ी बर्थडे पार्टी की थी, 50 सिल्वर जुबली उसे कहते हैं, तो हमने उनकी भी सिल्वर जुबली की थी. उनके क्रेडेंशियल्स के अंदर आता है कि जी उन्होंने हाँ उनकी एक दफा हुई थी मंगनी पहले, बट फिर आपको पता है लड़कियां कितनी खराब होती हैं, नहीं चली.
And what are your आपकी क्या requirements हैं from the girl?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल एक ना मुझे माहिरा खान लगे, बिल्कुल प्यारी चाहिए. हाँ जी, मॉडर्न होए लेकिन घर में रहे, साथ में मिलनसार और सोशल भी होए लेकिन ज्यादा लोगों को मिले भी मत, घर का ख्याल भी रखे और खाना बनाना आता भी हो और खिलाना भी आता हो. उसके बाद ट्रैवलिंग का शौक हो लेकिन शॉर्ट्स ना पहने, बाजू ना नजर आए उनके. अच्छा, पढ़ी लिखी भी हो, बहुत पढ़ी लिखी हो, मास्टर्स पीएचडी वाली हो, लेकिन काम ना करे. हाँ, मेरे बेटे कुछ बस ऐसी अगर आपके पास कोई लड़की है तो प्लीज जरूर बताइएगा.
Thank you so much.
This literally
Very nice. Very nice.
requirements है जो कभी out of fashion नहीं जाएंगी हमारी आंटी.
You have channeled the auntie बहुत
So beautiful, so beautiful.
very very wonderfully. I must say, I'm impressed.
Seriously, I am. बाकी ऐसे है. It's sad. Aunties, if you're listening to
It
this,
is sad.
change, please.
और एज 21 से ऊपर ना हो.
21, exactly. Perpetually
Yes.
आपके लिए गमले में उगा रहे हैं ऐसी वाली.
उगा रहे हैं आपके लिए, आपके ऑलमोस्ट कवर में पहुंचे हुए बेटे के लिए.
Right. So great. On that note, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there.
Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers, and if you and ladies who have
Aunties
sons,
also.
please do not raise them to be the son that I predicted.
ठीक है. Wonderful. Okay, so let's move on to the next section of the show. Momina, of course, you've had wonderful guests on your show over the years, but and of course you know a lot of celebrities and you hang out with all of these people. So we actually wanted to know, it's sort of like an either or situation.
Okay.
So, Em, will you please lead
क्यों
with
मरवाना
that?
चाह रहे हैं?
बहुत मजे का होता है. This is my favorite. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All right. So I don't know if you hosted all of them or not, but I'm sure you know most of them, if not all. Just very quickly, either or, Fahad Mustafa or Shahryar Manawar.
Shahryar Manawar.
Okay. Mehwish Hayat or Mahira Khan.
Tough one. I like them both, but Mahira, she's a friend of mine. I'm closer to her.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Best celebrity wife, Aisha Fazli or Sadaf Fawad.
They're both wonderful, but again, Aisha, I would go with Aisha Fazli because I'm very close to her.
Lovely. All right. Acha, talk shows aap karte ho, Momina, you do your own brand of a show. There are other people who are doing either.
Em, you've just
Sorry,
paused.
I got paused, yeah.
Okay, well, while Emin is
funny.
paused, I will ask you. There were a few more. This is my favorite actually. Khadija Shah or Kamya Rokni? Who's the better designer in your opinion?
Okay, you know, you can't compare them, to be very honest, because they're both very different. Because their aesthetics are very different. And they're both equally skilled and they're both equally talented. So I can't really choose one.
Hashtag Momina the diplomat. Excellent.
Not
Acha.
diplomat, I'm actually seriously, you can't, it's comparing apples and oranges. You can't compare the two, right? I mean, if you said like, I mean, you could ask, so for example, you can ask like Kamya Rokni or Nomi Ansari, those are comparable. Or
Right.
Kamya Rokni or Ali Zishan, those are comparable. Then you can
Okay, I get that they're apples and oranges, but I still prefer oranges to apples.
No, for me it's mood. I like both, and I like depends on my mood. I own both of their clothes, and I love both their clothes. So
Okay,
like,
wonderful, excellent. ठीक है. So let's move
Have
on
I
to the next.
unpaused?
Yes, you have unpaused now. Sorry, that was just a
Great.
filler question. I
Because
just made up while I'm unpaused.
I वैसे तो मैं 2000 कॉफी चलाऊं इधर दोस्तों में लड़ाइयां कराऊं.
Right.
इसको हम alternatively पप्पे कुटनी कहते होते हैं.
Yes.
हाँ, पप्पे कुटनी is absolutely right.
Thank you. I
और
own
अगर
it.
पप्पे कुटनी ना हो तो सिर्फ पुप्पी भी कह सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
Right. Acha, Momina, the next question is about talk show hosts.
Yes, now that मुझे
one-liners,
फुप्पी का लकब मिल चुका है,
खिताब मिल
मोमिना,
चुका है.
we would request you कि in the next part of the show, of course आपके colleagues हैं, there's other people who host shows as well, just a one-liner, honest one-liners on what you think about them and their shows and their hosting styles.
Okay, but the thing is that I don't really watch them.
But you might know them as people.
Yeah. Okay, go on. Let's see if I know. शुरू करें.
She's paused again.
All right, let's do it.
To begin off with, my favorite, Samina Pirzada.
Okay, so Samina auntie is, I mean, she's my friend's mom, and like she's like really lovely. But I think the whole
Wow, king now, guys.
What?
Yes, you're
Sorry?
unfrozen now.
Can you hear me?
Oh my God, this is crazy. Yes, we can hear you. You guys
Okay.
couldn't hear me.
Oh,
Acha.
yeah.
So
So-
start off with Samina Pirzada.
Yeah, so like I said, Samina auntie is like she's wonderful, and she's like her daughters are my friends, like really good, like and really old friends. But I think in one sentence, if I had to describe her show, it would be बचपन में पेड़ तो चढ़ा होगा ना.
So, Momina, let me tell you.
Nailed it.
I
You
don't
nailed
know. Since you don't watch other talk shows, I'm sure you haven't seen this one also. But in the first episode, in the first season, first episode ever, the first question, Kiran Malik was on the show. She was our first guest. And the first question we ever asked her was, "Bachpan mein kabhi darakht pe to chadi hogi?"
I love Kiran. और उसने आंसर भी सही दिया होगा.
She
And
gave the most
chances are
wonderful
she
answer.
probably
Kiran
did
was
do it.
lovely. She probably
No,
did do it also. Yeah.
she actually made a reverse question कि हाँ सांस तो लेती हो ना, कभी प्यार तो हुआ होगा.
Okay,
Right.
continue.
Kiran was lovely.
Yeah.
Acha ji, the next one is HSY.
Oh my God, energy, like get go, like energy, like 100%. That's it, energy.
Okay,
That's all you can.
wonderful. ठीक है.
That's true. Ifat Umar.
That's my answer.
Sorry. Yes, it goes. Say it.
ठीक है.
I mean,
I need a moment.
it's not my style at all. Like, I mean, she's wonderful, but it's not my style. Like,
Right.
silence is the
And
best answer.
Yes,
All
it
right.
is. It is.
The next-
It is.
It is in so many situations. Actually, very popular. I've never seen her show, but I've seen clips on the internet. So Nida Yasir.
I don't even know who she is. Is that bad?
I'll be honest, I don't either.
I don't know who she is. Sorry. Like I never, like I said, I don't really watch. I mean, I obviously I watched Samina Auntie's show and I watched Sheru's show and I watch even like something hot I'll watch because but I don't generally watch because I'll tell you the thing is that I feel like in order for you to be completely original and not be influenced by anybody, I just like when I was a journalist, I would never read anybody else's work unless my work was out already.
That makes sense. That actually makes sense. Yeah.
You know, if I had done my review, once it was published, then I'd read someone else's review just so that in my heart, I know that I didn't, my opinion was my opinion. And in the same way, I take inspiration, but I take inspiration from like Ellen or like Jimmy Fallon. Like those are the people like I enjoy watching.
Oh,
so that's what I kind of, I mean, that's what I formatted MMP on also, you know, was that.
Lovely. And it shows, because it's more modern, it's sleeker, it's fun.
Yeah.
Actually, the last one we have is Mathira.
Oh my God, so fun.
Do you know who that is?
Okay, of course I know Mathira. Late night show. Hey, Mathira's a league apart. You can't.
Late night show.
She has her own league, it's true.
Yeah, how can you bring her in like lower mortals like us? But you know, I'll tell you what.
Very nice.
I will say one thing that I appreciate and I truly do respect people who are so unabashedly and unapologetically themselves and they don't give a flying F about what the world has to say. So I think that like kudos to her for being, even if it's a character that she portrays, then to stay true to that, and that's her. And I mean,
yeah, and especially the world we live in, you need such thick skin to actually pull this off.
Yeah, you do. You really do. In order to be yourself and in order to sort of portray that character, even I completely agree with Momina that even if it's one of those on-screen personas, it's still very hard to maintain that.
Because how she does it is a very different thing. But a lot about her is she's owning up to her sexuality, and I think that in our country, that is something that is so like, oh my God, like how can you have a desire in such a taboo topic or a thought even when it's a very natural phenomenon, right?
It is, you're right.
And I don't think there's anything wrong in owning up to your owning your own sexuality and understanding it and even projecting it. Like, to each their own, man, and more power to her. I mean, I don't think I could ever be that way, because I think मैं बहुत सोचूंगी लोग क्या कहेंगे, मेरी family ये है फलाना ढींगरा दादी दादा दा फला, you know, you think like that.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So let's move on to the next one.
Yeah, that's so true. That is so true.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to do something about Heaven's internet.
Yeah. Taboo.
Yes, you're fine now. You're back.
I can't see you. You know this, right? Like I can't. Your window is like frozen. It's been for a while.
Oh, really?
I don't know. It's working fine for me.
Yeah. Very strange. I think it's my internet which is really sort of letting me down here.
Yeah.
Acha. Chalo, this is a regular in our show, Momina, and it's Taboo, the game. I'm assuming you're familiar with it.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is a little different. For instance, of course, it's not real taboo. So you can pretty much say whatever you like, except for the actual word that's on the piece of paper, right? So, and the only way you are really involved in this, because we are also narcs, so we're just going to compete against each other, and you are sort of going to support us, and you will be the one who will make us guess, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we do this for our pleasure strictly.
All right. Okay, got it.
Okay. So M, who goes first?
Who's gonna go first? Jay, I can't see you. So I'm assuming that you will go first, because I hope you guys can see my screen. So I'll go first. You blindfold yourself. Momina, I will be holding up. You can see me. Cool. So I will be holding up pieces of paper with stuff written on them, and you will have to explain without saying the actual thing.
Okay, so are we doing 2 minutes or 90 seconds?
अरे यार ये बड़ा मसला है. 1 second. Can you guys see me now?
I can't see you. I'm blindfolded.
I'm on Janzib's screen.
You can't.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So when I speak, you should be able to hear me.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm waiting.
I am waiting for Iman to give me the.
Has she paused?
Can you guys
see me?
I can see you. Show me the word.
I see 2 of you, M.
1 second.
So I have disconnected
from my laptop.
Whoa! What is going on?
Right. Can you see one of me now?
Yes, I can.
Lovely. हाँ. तो मैंने अपने लैपटॉप से डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया है ताकि हम इधर कर सके और ये ग्लिच कम करे.
Yeah, much better.
Okay. Cool. So the first one that I'm going to hold up. Rajiv,
sorry.
Hold.
Yes, done.
Right. Here we go.
Okay. By fluke,
Raffle. Lays? That's raffles.
No. Like raffle ticket. Raffle ticket.
Lottery?
$1 million.
Lottery.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damn. There we go. Acha ji. The next one is.
The scariest person in a kitchen on TV.
Huh? The scary. Oh, Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah.
Yes. Am I that? Yeah, ये मैं हर दफा हारती हूँ. ये बिल्कुल odd नहीं है. चलो, third one.
Okay. I can't see you.
Can you see it now?
Yeah. It's a spice in and used very
Cinnamon.
नहीं and it basically आपके जो scrapes और उनको बहुत वो करती है. It has healing powers. It's antiseptic.
Haldi.
Yes.
Right, last one because you're running out of time.
Okay.
Here we go.
I can't see him. Oh, एक second. किसी disco में जाए.
Govinda.
Yes.
Ravina Tandon. Yes. Okay.
Love it. Time is up. You have performed as well as you do every week. So
Thank
अब मेरी
you.
बारी है. And I will, I'm usually really bad at this. और मैं
How long are we timing for? 2 minutes?
Yeah, about 2 minutes.
Okay, fit है.
ठीक है?
Okay.
So
Wait, let me one second. Okay.
हाँ.
Let's go. Ready?
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm starting. Your clock
ready.
starts now.
Cool.
This one.
It's a board game. It's one of the most original board games, but now is also a card game.
Monopoly?
Yes. Next. I can't see you.
Here. There you go.
Yeah. इसमें अच्छा मैं गाने में गाऊंगी और इसका तुमने इंग्लिश करनी है, ठीक है? तेरे प्यार का रस चखना, ओए मखना. Yes.
Nice.
Oh my God.
This one.
One of my all-time favorite books is a wizard. Starts at
Harry
11
Potter.
years old.
Harry Potter.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, these are too easy.
What do you call it? There's a movie, Dash of the Caribbeans.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yep.
Oh, Em, you might just
Woo.
win this today.
I might. One more.
Everyone is watching this these days. Netflix host का आप Netflix किधर देखते हो? किस चीज पे?
On your phone?
No, Netflix. कमरे में क्या लगा होता है? ये देखो मेरे पीछे भी कमरे में लगा हुआ है.
TV?
She can't see you.
TV. I just assumed.
You needed to groom your hair.
You can't say hair.
Oh yeah, I can't. Sorry.
Hairbrush hoga, but yes, pass.
Yeah.
Next one.
Pass, yeah. Next one. Sorry, you can't say go. I'll do another one.
This is the last one.
Oh God. It's a shoe brand.
Hush puppies.
Yes.
Wonderful, yeah. Done. We're done. Fantastically done.
God,
I think
I
it's the
feel
first time
fantastic.
ever
Yes.
that
Yes.
Evan has defeated me.
My bell of shame has become a bell of joy today. I have won. I don't win.
So you
So
got,
funny.
how many did I get? Wait, let's count first. At least.
Okay, you
1,
got 1 second.
2,
I'll count.
You got all of them.
4,
You got them
Yeah, you got
Five.
all of them. So we did 4
7.
4 with you.
Okay, you got 7. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah, but you've like redeemed yourself for all
I
the
really
time that
have.
you've lost.
I really have. I think I should only do this on my phone, by the way, because the other internet is pretty crap.
ठीक है.
So yeah. अच्छा. So now that हमें नहीं पता था, Momina, that you have studied acting, but this was just to throw you off, थोड़ा सा curveball था, but I think it's right up your alley. The next segment is impersonations, and we have 3 amazing people who have made their mark in very many different ways in Pakistan, and we want you to say anything, 1-2 lines in their signature style. The first one is our favorite, Meera ji.
I'm in New York.
Yes.
Oh God.
My favorite feature.
I
is
think we need to title this Misfortunes of Meera ji. There you go.
my favorite feature is my ass. My ass. My ass. My ass. Ass.
Shabash. Very good.
Love it. Love it. Acha ji, the next one is Amir Liaquat.
I'm choosing. Choosing, huh? I'm choosing. Honestly, I don't even know how he talks because I can't stand him. But all I remember was the mangoes and
the mangoes, and then the other one also.
and the
Ghalib
child
film
he
dekhi
tried to
aapne?
give. They tried to give away a child. Remember?
What?
Oh,
No.
yeah. Oh, yeah. This happened like one of the few
Ramzan,
Ramzans, like
two Ramzans or something ago.
What do you mean give away a child? What does that even mean?
Yeah, he wanted to give away a child. Like, you know how you give away, ye, like, you know, Nilam ghar mein, ye washing machine aapki hui, ye baby aapka hua. It was a whole scandal.
It was like an entire controversy. No, it got really famous, and it was a bit disturbing, to be honest. Like, what the hell?
It is very disturbing. It's
yeah.
Wow, only him.
Oh God.
Only him.
And
And the last one, who is as controversial as they come, Waqar Zaka. You have no idea who it is.
How can you not? Okay, wait. Let me refresh your memory, because I will not. I cannot accept that you don't know him. Because everyone must know him. If you don't know him, then I will make you know him. He's this. Okay, so आपको याद है कुछ अर्सा पहले एक show आता था?
Yeah, it was some.
In which,
wait, no.
It was a Mountain Dew show, and in which they were looking for the most daring person in Pakistan. It was like a roadies version.
I know of the show. I never watched it.
The guy with the long hair.
You've never heard of this person?
No.
Wow.
I think we should just record this clip and then just put it out there. It's like, she does not know who this guy is. Lucky her.
I mean, if you show me a picture, I might be able to recognize. It doesn't ring a bell.
Jay, can you share your screen? Yeah. Can you share your screen with her?
मेरी screen पे wallpaper नहीं है Waqar Zaka. Wait 1 second.
मतलब Google search करो ना बेटे.
हाँ मैं कर रहा. 1 second. Okay, wait. How do I share screen? Yeah, I'll just. Okay. This one. How do you not know this guy, yaar?
Oh yeah. But what did he do? I remember his face.
Well,
nothing you've done enough today.
This. Sometimes he feels naked also, so he does this.
Okay, I
can't take this.
He looks too creepy for me. Then, like, yeah, no, I can't.
He is his own brand of person.
No.
Wonderful. Do you guys see the tabs that are open on this? Wait,
I don't know why you're going through.
Sorry, wait. How do I stop? Okay.
Just cancel it. Okay. Technological challenge. The last segment before we have questions or anything. This is again interesting in the sense that आप इन लोगों को जानती हैं. So we want you to think of them in a completely new way. If the following people were pieces of furniture, what would they be?
All right, interesting.
The first one is Danial Zafar.
A hammock.
Why? I will follow every question with the why.
Why? Because I mean, he spends a lot of time in LA. Like I don't know, like LA, hammocks, beach. Like he has that vibe. So
okay,
yeah,
he has that vibe.
It's chill. And his music is also so chill, right? So it's just like hammock. Yeah, it'd be a hammock.
Okay,
cool. Lovely. The next one is Mahira Khan.
Mahira would be like a really comfortable one-seater, almost sofa chair, because she just is just so warm. So you kind of want to just like a very comfortable one-seater chair. Yeah.
Lovely. Ahad Raza Mir.
Ahad Raza Mir. Oh, really? Let me think of this. He has really good posture.
He's a theater guy. Yeah.
Yeah, so he has a really good posture. So I would say a standing lamp, like a very statuesque lamp. Like, yeah.
Love it, absolutely. Acha ji, the next one is Hamza Ali Abbasi.
Footstool. There.
Okay.
Wonderful. The next one is Ifat Umar. This was not scripted. I just made it up.
It wasn't.
I know. No, I mean, I don't like. I don't know her that well. I really don't. Like, I remember she used to come pick up. Like, when I was in school, she used to come pick up her daughter from school, and that's my first kind of memory of Ifat. And now I see her socially here and there. What would Ifat be?
Are you looking around to see what would
She really is.
Table, I guess.
कोई मुझे नहीं दे बता दे.
Like an accent table.
An accent table.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
She's good looking, and yeah, an accent table.
And what would Veena Malik be, just out of complete curiosity?
Bistara.
मतलब the one on the bed या वो जो ज़मीन पे होता है?
You stop.
जो चाहिए
Thank you.
Wow,
Was
you
that-
guys. Wow. Okay. अच्छा जी, अगला है Muneeb Nawaz. If Muneeb were an a piece of furniture, what would he be?
A piece of furniture. Does he have to be a piece of furniture?
No, he could
Can
be
he
like
be like
any. It could be anything. It could be like a kitchen item, like a spatula or like a chini
I think
dal.
it'd be a painting. Have you ever seen Muneeb
Ah.
ke pictures? Like, they're very like,
Yes, they are. They're very arty farty.
yeah.
They
so
are,
it'd
they
be
are.
A painting. A painting.
Oh, I've never thought of it that way.
Painting.
Yeah. Like an piece of artwork.
Acha. Now Urva and Mavra together, if they were a twin set of anything, what would they be?
You know, their personalities are so different. I don't know if they could be a twin set.
Okay, they could be two individual items. They could be two individual items.
Let me think now, because this is like a tough one. Mavra is so cute generally, you know what I mean? Her personality is she's so wonderful. It's one of those things that I would want her to be like something I'd be able to carry around. So I would say like a scented candle. I would say Mavra would be a scented candle.
Okay, and what about Urva?
I think that the first time I met Mavra also was at a friend's get-together, and she happened to be there with a friend of mine. And we hit it off. Like, you know, we were just talking and she just came and sat with me and we just chatted. And then by the end of it, you know, हमारी थी दोस्ती हुई, वो मेरी गोद में बैठी हुई थी. अच्छा बताओ, you know? Like, but she just has that personality. Like, you can't, I don't know, like, I feel like you can't, like, not like her. She's a very, she's a very likable person. And I think a scented candle is something that just makes everybody happy. And I think she does make people happy. So,
True. And what about Urva? Urva, if she were a piece of furniture or any...
so the two things that I like Mavra is like, I mean, like, even when I interviewed them, the two things that I've stuck, I think I would make Urva a passport because she always forgets hers. So, I mean, if she is a passport, then
she might not forget.
She might not forget. So I think this is something that was mentioned even on MMP, like
yes, I've seen that episode.
Her passport. हर जगह भूल जाती है.
I saw that episode, so I remember. Actually, the last one, we've saved the worst for last or the best. He's made rounds on the internet, on news. I don't know how to say this in any more depth, but Khalilur Rahman Kamal.
Toilet brush.
Thank
Emin
you.
agrees.
Thank you.
Emin agrees. Everyone
Yes,
agrees.
man. I'm
I'm
sorry.
sorry, I
Like,
don't care how much flack I get for it. It is what it is. That's what he is, in my opinion.
it is what it is. Seriously, there is no. We don't have space for misogynists and people who are living in their own
No,
sick world.
there's no,
Sorry.
before even misogyny, there's no place for बदतमीजी. And I think,
true.
हमें
Disrespect.
उससे आगे तो आप जाए, आप उससे आगे तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, आप अगर बदतमीजी first hand पे हो, and the way he talks to people and about women,
Yeah.
and just like it's like, who are you? And उसके बाहर भी ऐसे
Yeah.
Who are you?
toilet,
Exactly.
yeah.
उसके बाल भी ऐसे हैं जैसे toilet. On that note, let's move
effectively. To questions. Do we have any questions, Jhansi?
Yeah, we got 2 questions on Instagram.
Okay.
The first one is, मोमिना कैसे कर लेती हो?
क्या कैसे कर लेती हूँ?
That's what it says.
That was it.
That was the question.
Maybe there needs to be a follow-up question as to what.
क्या कैसे कर लेती हो? I believe
क्या
just
सांस कैसे लेती हूँ, नहा कैसे लेती हूँ, खाना कैसे खा लेती हूँ. I don't.
Right. The next one is, favorite guest on your show.
Favorite
Yeah.
guest. Do you know this? I mean, you are gonna say that I'm being diplomatic,
Yes, I
but
will.
I can't say one guest has been my favorite, because each show has been so different, because it's tailor-made to that person. So it kind of like brings that out. But
no, but somebody that left you thinking कि यार मतलब spot on था ये. Hamper.
बहुत से different तरीकों में. I mean, I interviewed
Proverbial
Kappa.
hamper. Who did it go to? Oh, what? You did?
Yeah, when he came to Lahore, I interviewed him on MMP. It's there.
Nice. Nice.
But that's a very funny story, because what people didn't see on camera, जो नहीं capture हुआ था, is when I walked into the room and he's standing there, and it's like, I mean, it's Kaka. So like, I'm not a football fan. I don't even watch it. But I mean, even if you don't watch football, you know certain footballers, right? Like,
Yeah, man.
so I went in for a hug, and he thought कि मैं पाकिस्तान में हूँ तो मैं handshake के लिए जाता हूँ. So his hand
was
went
one of
and
those.
hit my stomach. अच्छा. Then he realized कि अच्छा नहीं, ये तो अब करिए, अब ये I should hug her. So then I took the wrong cue. So now I went in for a handshake and he went in for a hug. So then I ran into him. And mind you, he's like 6 something and I'm 5'3". So obviously मैं उसके पेट के अंदर जाके Then he just stood there. He's like, what are we doing? I was like, hug. Let's just hug.
Let's just hug.
Let's just hug. I guess just the sheer magnitude of who I was meeting or was going to get to sit next to talk to, even for like, it was a 3-minute thing, but that would be but yeah, there have been memorable moments from a lot of different things, right? And I made some friends during the show, like Shahriyar Munawwar and I became friends because he came on MMP during Saat Din Mohabbat Din, and we kind of became pals us waqt. Then Parihat Love jab I, you know, like, so is तरह से like काफी सारे लोग थे जिनके साथ if you want to say someone who I thought was really lovely was Aiza Khan. She was wonderful. So lovely. And like, you know, like what happens is, I mean, and it's a very small, I mean, it's a small thing, but it's also a very big thing. But आप लोगों को भेज दो ना teaser to put it up on Instagram.
Yeah.
Aiza was one of those people who asked for it. And you know, she has that kind of a following where she got
massive.
Right? I thought she was absolutely like, and there have been a lot of them. A lot of the celebrities have been very kind and they've been super nice.
How sweet.
And they've been really, I think my trouble lies with, I think, jo mujhe unprofessionalism. Even yahan tak that, like, I will not name the actress. She got the dates confused. There was a mishap between the PR, the publicist, the celebrity, and myself. Okay. So I was told that she was coming on a certain day at a certain time. She thought she was going to come in on another day.
Right.
And nobody was answering. I didn't know. My entire team, crew, we were all set up, ready to go. And she didn't arrive. And the publicist kept calling me saying, really sorry. And I was like, okay, whatever. Forget it. Like, I'm wrapping up, I'm leaving. I got irritated. 5 minutes later, that person called me. She called me. She apologized. I'm really, really sorry. I actually genuinely thought that I was supposed to leave tomorrow for something. I will stay an extra day and I will make it up to you and I will be there. Like, I thought that was... I like, it shows character. So, you have to appreciate it.
It does.
So, they're different. Like, and after that, like, because she came, I clicked with her. She was ended up being a friend of a friend's. She was like, can you drop me home? I was like, okay, duh. I took her for lunch, dropped her home. We chilled, gappe mari, dosti hogi. Next time, when her film was coming out, she's like, I'm like, it was, yeah. So I've actually...
That's very nice. That's very nice. Yeah. Also, to hear these stories is so heartening, Momina, because we hear mostly आपको snobbish stories या इसी तरह की मिलती हैं कि हाँ, इनका बड़ा नखरा है, and this attitude that they throw around.
Look, I'll tell you what. It's about a matter of perspective.
Correct.
It's about what you look at.
Yeah.
If one person is, you have to also put yourself in
their shoes. Yeah.
In their shoes, right? You're being pulled in 1 million directions, right?
Absolutely.
Right? If somebody is badgering me, even at a grocery store for...
Yeah, I would lose it.
You lose it. So...
Absolutely.
Yes, it's not snobby. It's also to kind of protect your own self. Like, ekdam se itna crowd aata hai aapki taraf, you also retreat, right?
Absolutely.
And
absolutely.
I mean, you have to give people the benefit of the doubt. Yes, there have been times where I've had models who've never showed up and they've not even had any remorse. But I've had like major stars of your country who you would expect to have diva behavior.
Yeah. But they don't.
No, they won't have diva behavior. Like, some people are just genuinely late, right? Like, they are late. Kuch irritate hoga. I get irritated because if I'm not in touch with someone, if you stop responding to me, I will lose my marbles. But again, there's like a really big actress, like huge, like super popular, really famous, was late. But on every 20 minutes, she was in touch. I'm really sorry, ye ho gaya, ye. वो 3 घंटे late आई है, but वो पूरे 3 घंटे she was in touch with me. कि अब मैं या तो मैं वो आए और मैं उसको host करके मैं उसके बारे में उसको गालियां निकालूं. That's one way of dealing with it. Or I appreciate the fact that at least she had the decency regard for my time to make sure. Yeah. So it's just it's a matter of how you look at things. You can you can take the exact same thing in a very negative manner and create a facade, but you can also take it in a positive way. So now when I look back, I don't think about, oh, falana person was late, but I will think about, oh, but they called me. They kept
That's very nice. That's very nice. Perspective is everything. And on that note, Momina, we're up to an hour. Thank you so much. Time flew so quickly.
I know it really did.
You're amazing. What you do, Momina Plate, is something that I watch normally also. Whether I do this or not, it was something I watched.
We know that you're an expert at doing this, and we're literally newbies. And
yeah,
thank you so much.
It was a lot of fun. I had a great time. There was a great flow.
Thank you.
It was a lot of fun.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you
lovely,
so much.
Lovely meeting you, and we wish you the best of luck for MMP and for anything that you do.
Thank you so much, and you guys too. Take care of yourselves.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye. Good night. Good night,
Danish,
everybody.
can we go off?